and it is coming through a media. So today at 2 p.m. I told them, so when Rasmi ma'am takes class, so you please add others also. Okay, ma'am has created one group, but those who are there, you please confirm that others are also there. Or if they are not there, either tell ma'am or tell the person that there is such and such group. Please join the group like that. That's much.
That's all. It's resolved now. The issue is resolved. So it is resolved now, isn't it? You have got the notice about tomorrow there is no meeting with the director, that is postponed for the next week, and we shall have it as and when the information comes, we are going to inform you. And Friday, there is a common class. So our class, GC 119, will not be there. This is another information. And next Monday, I'll inform in the email to you if we do not have a class. If it is not there, I'll request somebody else to take the class, next Monday class. If me and Sashwati are not able to take, we will take it in the next week. In our earlier, yes.
Ma'am, there is one class of SP sir that is not happening in our group. Is there any problem?
Okay, Tuesday afternoons, the second period of Tuesday.
Second period.
No, we will ask sir. The day he is not able to take, probably somebody else would be wanting to take that. We can ask sir to inform. And we have added sir in the group. You are also free to contact and find out. Okay, you can either message.
Ma'am, I have added sir. Ma'am, I have added sir to group and I have talked with him before 10 minutes before that class. So twice he told that I am busy with preparation of e-content. And from next class I will take class. Ma'am, I think it just half an hour before.
Okay. Okay. So from next week, there shouldn't be any problem. So if somebody, I have told you in the inaugural session itself that there may be some disturbances, confusion. You know, today I got confused. I put myself in a mess. I thought my class is at 2 and I sent the link. I was sitting and I was waiting alone. Only Jasmeet joined and she also realized it's a wrong classroom and she left. So sometimes we forget because the new timetable has come. This another information to you. From tomorrow, we will be following the new timetable. There's not much change, but each schedule has been indicated with a specific practicum. So you will be reading that practicum before coming. You will be having an idea how you are doing that practicum, and whatever discussion is happening in the class is about how is the practicum being done. There may be some demonstrations, discussions on it. So if you are prepared with it, you can have your questions and you can clarify. That is the reason we have put the practicum specifically in the timetable. So we'll go ahead with that. Another reminder I want to give, if you all I have started writing and the portfolio is done for practical purpose, your portfolio is ready. Now you have some time, you can add to it, but at least by 15th, it's midway of this month, you better stop portfolio because you have to start with your practical records. As in when you start the class talk, for example, the first activity usually the DCGC students take up is the class talk. When you start that, you can start making a record of that. In GC 119, it is the role play as an activity. We will inform you how you have to maintain role play activity. So you have to start writing when you come prepared for the class. You can uh, write it, because how you do the role play in the class as a demonstration must be written verbatim. Counselor client, you have to write what the counselor is saying and what the client, as a planning, and then how it is going. In bracket you have to put what is the counselor's reaction response to that kind of a sentence which comes. And in bracket you have to write the posture, the facial expression, and all those things. It will be just half page per role play, only half. For example, each skill, empathy, skill of empathy, for example, you will be showing the attending behavior of the counselor to the clients arriving and talking, that you will be noting down. And when a statement is made, or when a non-verbal gesture is made, in the bracket you have to write what is that non-verbal response. If you're saying okay, or if you're nodding the head, if you're leaning forward, all these behaviors has to be indicated.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, before in previous class that you gave one activity that to observe today or tomorrow and observe the listening skill of a person. So, ma'am, I have already sent to your mail.
Yes,
Have
I
you
have.
got
Yeah,
it?
yeah. Some of you have already, around 10 to 12 have already put it in the
Thank you, ma'am.
mail. You don't have to put it in the mail. For each one, there is a page in the Google Classroom. You can just respond there and it automatically gets into the classroom.
Okay,
You
ma'am.
can send it by mail also as an option, but keep that writing ready with you. That will be used for assessment of your listening skills and your reflection on the listening skills.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am. Thank you.
give
Yes,
me a
ma'am.
moment.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, hello.
Rashmita,
Yes, ma'am, I am not received the task.
what have you not received?
मैम वो जो क्वेश्चन भेजे थे.
It is in the Google Classroom. Can you please join the classroom?
Yes
You can.
ma'am, yes ma'am, I join.
You open the classroom. There is a assignment. You open assignment. You will see the assignment there. Instruction is there. The assignment is there.
Okay, okay ma'am, I will check that.
Okay. Okay. There are still somebody to join in the Google Classroom. Hello. Ma'am is here. No, I wanted you all to miss me for a while. I was telling you only there are 37 admissions in the Google Classroom, and others may be missing out on some of the activities. The assignments are important. Those who have not joined, I have the, what do you call that? Classroom join करने के लिए what do you have? Code, class code. So
Ma'am,
you
the
have
code.
the, yeah, class code. I have it and you all have it. When you open the class, you get the code. Rashmita says Google Classroom. Okay, you have joined, but I want another 10 to join the class. There are only 37 in the class. Yeah, Harihar Sahu, there is a code. You have to go to Google Classroom and give that code, you will join. Hello. Sorry, there is uh, there was an appointment with a client for me, so I have given time to the client at 4 o'clock. I thought you can observe the session, but the client is having some difficulty joining. She is calling. Yeah, she may join till that time. Anybody would want to, two of you, I want to come on and say for 5 minutes can talk. I want to observe you. I'll call somebody who did not take the role. Who did not take role, they can come forward. Smita, are you ready? No, because this task has already been given to you. I want you to be ready with something to talk. Who will come? Because only 5 or 6 of you have taken the role of counselor and client. Who will be ready today? Anybody? Shraddhanjali, come on.
Yes, ma'am. I want to be a client, ma'am.
You didn't take the role in the last classes?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Anybody? Counselor? I want
Yes,
one
ma'am.
volunteer for counseling. Shekhar Suman?
Yes.
I think you have taken, no, you have not taken counselor client role till now. Have you done in the last classes?
A
Shekhar?
little bit.
Have you
Little
taken the role of? No, I want somebody who has not taken. If you have not taken, I want you to. So shall we?
Ma'am, I'm not prepared yet.
No, I want the
I
audio,
have
those who
just
are
joined,
taking
ma'am.
the role of client and counselor, the audio to be very clear. Are you okay? Let us begin. Say, Shekhar, you talk something.
That-
No, your audio is not clear.
I think there is so many network over there,
No,
ma'am.
you just see your network. Next time you have a good network so that you can become client or counselor. Today, Shraddhanjali is ready. Can I call Usha? It's a I'm selecting the people. I will. Usha, are you ready to be the counselor? Oh, I think you have taken the role. Have you done, Usha?
Ma'am, good evening.
Usha, have you done earlier?
Ma'am.
I think you have done once.
No, ma'am, not as a counselor. This thing I was, but I participated in other activities,
Okay,
but not
counselor
as a
client role
counselor.
you have not taken.
No, no, ma'am.
Okay, chalo. You are the counselor. Shraddhanjali is
Okay,
the client.
okay,
Both of
ma'am.
you open your
Video.
video and
Okay.
all pin both of them on the screen so that we can observe both of them. Yes, Shraddhanjali.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Hello, ma'am. Good evening.
Good evening to you. Yeah. Tell me,
Ma'am,
Shraddhanjali. Please sit down and tell me what's the issue like.
yes, ma'am. Actually, ma'am, I have a problem in communication, basically in English, so that I want to talk with you in Hindi version. Is
नो
it okay, ma'am?
प्रॉब्लम आप मुझसे हिंदी में बात कर सकते हैं कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है बताइए
Okay. Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. मैं एक्चुअली आई हैव ए प्रॉब्लम दैट जब मैं मतलब मेरे पास सब कुछ है, मुझे ये फील हो रहा है कि हाँ मेरे पास सब कुछ है, जैसे कि पैसा है, खुशी भी है, सारी चीज मेरे पास ही रहता है, लेकिन अंदर ही अंदर ये चीज मुझे लग रहा है कि नहीं, मैं खुश नहीं हूँ। अजीब
आप
अजीब
खुश
सा
नहीं
फील
है
होता है।
आप
हाँ,
खुश
ये
नहीं है
चीज
ऐसा
फील होता
लगता
है।
है
हाँ,
जी
बहुत, लेकिन लगता है मैं बहुत लोनली फील कर, लेकिन मेरे चारों तरफ सब कोई है, जैसे कि मेरे फैमिली मेंबर्स है, मेरे फ्रेंड्स है, रिलेटिव्स है, सब कोई मेरे पास है, लेकिन फिर भी मैं जब मैं बेडरूम के अंदर जाती हूँ रात में, मुझे अकेलापन खाया जाता है, जैसे बहुत लोनली फील करती हूँ। सो दैट
अच्छा
मैं ये
अकेलापन
चीज
लगता है
इसी
तुम्हें हम्म
ये, तो जैसे कि इसी को, हाँ मैं ठीक हूँ, ये चीज भी मुझे महसूस होता है कि नहीं मैं ठीक हूँ, ये कुछ नहीं, ये मेरा मुझे कुछ, मेरे पास सब कुछ है, फिर भी क्यों मैं गुमसुम रहती हूँ, ये चीज क्यों बार बार मुझे खाया जाता है, पता नहीं, ये चीज मुझे, मेरे साथ यही इशू होता है।
श्रद्धांजलि मुझे ये बताओगे आप क्या करते हो बेटा व्हाट डू यू डू
पहले तो मैं लेक्चरशिप कर रही थी, लेकिन अब अभी मेरा, मैं लेफ्ट कर दी वो जॉब। अभी मेरा एक छोटा सा बच्चा है 1 साल का, अभी तो उसके बस अभी एज ए मतलब होम में बस रहती हूँ, बस वही काम, और अभी काम आज आज स्टूडेंट।
अच्छा, एज अ स्टूडेंट, वेरी गुड। तो बच्चे की देखभाल कौन करता है?
फैमिली मेंबर सपोर्ट करते हैं, उसके साथ मैं भी सपोर्ट करती हूँ, मतलब मैं
ओके
भी रहती
ओके, हाँ हाँ हाँ, क्या नाम है बेटे का, क्या नाम है?
हूँ। ईशान।
ईशान।
जी।
ओके, बहुत अच्छा। हम्म, आ, मुझे लगता है कि आपको थोड़ा और मुझे बताना पड़ेगा कि ऐसा पर्टिकुलर वाकया होता है जब आपको लगता है कि मैं एकदम अकेली सी हूँ, कोई आपको कुछ कह देता है या
नहीं, अगर
आपकी
कोई
बुरा
जैसे
की
कि
कोई बात बुरी लगी आपको?
नहीं, वो चीज नहीं होते हैं, कुछ नहीं, पता नहीं चलता। अगर लगता है अगर कोई गुमशुदा ऐसे घर में कोई बात नहीं करते हैं, मतलब चुप चुप गुमसुम रहते हैं, तो साथ साथ बैठे होंगे लेकिन गुमसुम रहते थे, तभी मुझे लगता है शायद वो मुझे इग्नोर कर रहे हैं, मैंने कुछ गलत कर दिया क्या, ये चीज होता है। तो
हाँ
बाद में
हाँ,
जब नहीं, ये चीज तो मैंने नहीं की है, तो फिर क्यों ऐसे लग रहा है। सब कोई तो
करेक्ट।
मुझ पे, सब कोई हैप्पी है मेरे ऊपर, सब कोई कुछ अच्छा सा
हम्म
लग रहा है, सब कोई मुझे बहुत लव करते हैं, तो फिर भी
हम्म,
मैं बहुत ज्यादा चाहती हूँ, और मुझे सब कोई मतलब मुझे लव करे, अफेक्शन दे, ये चीज में बहुत ज्यादा, जैसे कि जैसे एक गेन होता है, बढ़ता रहता है कि ये चीज
हाँ,
और हो और हो और हो, ये चीज होता है।
अच्छा, ओके। आपको कभी ऐसा लगा कि अगर मुझे ऐसा फील हो रहा है किसी किसी भी कारण से, तो मैं अपने घर वालों से एक बार बात करूं और उनसे शेयर करूं कि मुझे ऐसी महसूस होता है, तो
हाँ,
शायद वो
मैंने
आपको कुछ।
मेरी मदर इन
हम्म
लोग के साथ बात की, तो वो बताए तो हमेशा गुमसुम मत बैठा कर, तो जब टाइम
हम्म,
मिलता है तो मेरे साथ बातचीत कर, तभी कुछ नहीं, ये चीज नहीं होगा। तो आई हैव ए वन गुड गुड बिहेव हॉबीज लाइक, मुझे ना डायरी लिखना बहुत अच्छा लगता है, जो मैं खुद के बारे में नहीं लिखती हूँ, फिर भी मैं बस गॉड के नेम लिखती हूँ, ताकि मुझे वो बहुत हैप्पीनेस मिलता है तभी।
ओके, मतलब आप डायरी लिखते हो?
हाँ जी।
देखो सुष्मित, मैडम, फ्रॉम माय साइड कई बार क्या होता है, हम लोग बोलने में हम काफी कम एक्सप्रेस कर पाते हैं, और कई लोग लिखने में बहुत अच्छे से एक्सप्रेस करते हैं। लेकिन आपको ये जानना पड़ेगा, इसका कोई ना कोई कारण है जो आपके मन को ये महसूस कराता है कि आप में कुछ कमी है, या आप डर लग रहा है, या आपको कोई लोनलीनेस फील हो रहा है।
मुझे
तो
ये लग रहा है
मेरा
कि शायद कुछ नहीं है, मुझे मैं खुद को खुद ही ऐसे लगता है, मुझे मैं लोनली फील कर रही हूँ, ताकि लेकिन सबको ही अच्छा है, घर पे सब कुछ अच्छा चल रहा है, लेकिन फिर भी मैं खुश नहीं रह पाती हूँ, क्यों, ये मुझे
हाँ
पता नहीं है।
हाँ, नहीं नहीं, आप खुश नहीं रह पा रहे हो। देखो, आपको जो प्रॉब्लम है आप बहुत अच्छे से आइडेंटिफाई कर पा रही हो, ठीक है? तो ये आपके साथ एक बहुत बड़ा प्लस पॉइंट है। आपको मालूम है क्या प्रॉब्लम है। तो जब आप समझती हैं कि आपके पास साथ कुछ प्रॉब्लम है, तो आप उसका एक सोल्यूशन निकाल सकते हो। तो वो सोल्यूशन हम कैसे निकालेंगे? अपने आप से क्वेश्चन आंसर करके। तुम्हें क्या लगता है, तुम्हें इसका क्या सोल्यूशन हो सकता है? सपोज आप सोच लीजिए, मैं कोई काउंसलिंग का कोई जगह नहीं है, और आप इस प्रॉब्लम में आगे हो, तो आप किस तरीके से इसको सॉल्व करने का आप क्या ऑप्शन सोचती हैं कि क्या हो सकता है?
आई थिंक मैं तो डायरी मेंटेन करती हूँ, जिसमें से मुझे हैप्पीनेस मिलता है, और बस
ओके,
वो हो गया चीज, ये चीज हो जाता है। फिर जब
डायरी
डायरीज
डायरी
में।
मेंटेनेंस अच्छी बात है, अच्छी बात है, बहुत अच्छी बात है, क्योंकि वो एक तरीका है जिसमें क्या होता है कि आप अपने थॉट्स, आप अपने विचारों को लिखते हैं। और जब आप लिखते हैं तो आपका माइंड का और आपके हाथ का एक कनेक्शन है। उस कनेक्शन से क्या होता है कि दोनों के बीच में एक तरह का बैलेंस बनता है, मतलब जो आपके माइंड में है वो आप एक कागज पे लिखते हो। तो आप जब आप किस टॉपिक पे लिखते हो? लाइक कोई जनरल टॉपिक लिखते हो, या अपनी परेशानियों को लिखते हो, या आपके दिनचर्या में कुछ हुआ, क्या लिखते हो
बस
आप?
मैं पोएट्री लिखती हूँ, मतलब
अरे
जैसे
वाह, ओके,
आज
वेरी
क्या
नाइस।
हुआ,
हाँ हाँ,
आज क्या हुआ उसके बारे में मैं जस्ट पोएट्री लिखती हूँ। जैसे कि
अच्छा,
मतलब मुझे कुछ अच्छा लगा वही टाइप का पोएट्री लिखती हूँ, जैसे कुछ सैड, बस वही चीज हो जाता है, कुछ अच्छा नहीं लिख पाती हूँ, वही सैड सैड वाला लिखती हूँ, वही चीज हो सकता है, होता है जिसमें।
हम्म। नहीं तो कोई बात नहीं। देखो सैडनेस अगर आपको लगता है, आपको लगती है कि आपकी ये फीलिंग है जो सैड थॉट्स के साथ एक पोइट्री होती है, तो पोइट्री के तो बहुत सारे फॉर्म होते हैं। एक सैड भी होता है, व्यंग भी होता है, मतलब हंसने वाली जो पोइट्री होती है वो भी होती है, सॉफ्ट भी होती है, लव, रोमांटिक रिलेशनशिप, इस टाइप की बहुत सारी चीजें होती हैं। ठीक है, तो अगर आपको ये अच्छा लगता है तो ये करने के बाद क्या आपको महसूस हुआ कि आप थोड़ा रिलीफ मिला आपको, आपके जो भी
हाँ,
अंदर का जो
आपको
प्रॉब्लम
तो
है?
ये चीज बताती हूँ मैम कि मैं
हाँ,
जब डायरी लिखती हूँ उसके बाद सब कुछ ठीक हो जाता है, मुझे
अच्छा,
लोनली फील नहीं
हाँ,
होता है। ये पिछले साल हो रहा था, अभी तो बस
ओके।
I think both the client and counselor were looking to be very happy in the session. So it went on and on.
मैम,
Okay.
मैम, I think Shraddhanjali, she left, I think she
Maybe
got
her network.
disconnected.
Yes, it's okay. Wanted to
Ma'am.
ask Shraddhanjali first how she felt talking. Usha,
Okay,
you
ma'am.
can say as a counselor, where was your difficulty, or where do you feel you need to
Ma'am.
further look upon to gain the
Uh,
skill?
yes,
Let us
ma'am.
hear from the counselor point of view first.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I felt like I really had to think how to get into the problem of to make her speak more.
Okay, okay.
For that, I really took a pause and thought, and then gave her a question. And I was trying to lead through hers, ma'am. So that was a difficult point. Like I got little stuck, and
Okay. This
ma'am,
is a very typical, when you are in the making of a professional, because
ma'am,
as Sashwati was telling, some things we have to unlearn. Especially you are an administrator, you are a school related, like a teaching and school
ma'am,
administration. You are in that profession now. So
ma'am,
now to become a counselor, there are some things which you may have to hold back.
ma'am,
A client may know, I'm not telling only Usha, this is a general discussion for everybody. As a counselor, we always feel that we should find out a solution for the client. No need.
yes, ma'am,
Let us not be under that impression. A teacher
ma'am,
will always think, when my student is coming, I have to do something. And as an administrator, we think this is an issue of administration. I have to be action oriented. But here in counseling, it is not the counselor who has to be action oriented, rather, it is the client. This
true,
is the
ma'am, understood,
role we
ma'am.
have to take. And one more observation of mine. Before that, I want to listen to anyone, those who usually don't speak in the class. Sumati, about the counselor's feeling. We were observing one of the not practicing, what do you
Ma'am,
say, amateur counselor in action.
ma'am,
Sumati,
shall I say, ma'am?
you write down, Kanha. You write your point. Please. All of you in your notebooks, you write 1 or 2 points, what you felt. I want Sumati to open up. Sushobita,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Sushobita, can you say from the counselor's point of view?
Yes.
Because we are in the making of a counselor. See, she told
Yes, ma'am.
when the client was speaking how she felt, where was her difficulty, she expressed. So
Yes, ma'am.
what do you say? I have
Ma'am,
one more observation. Before that, I want you to reflect. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. I observed Usha, ma'am, when she was talking with her client with a smile expression, which make a client very comfortable to share his or her feelings to from in front of counselor. And उषा मैम मतलब एक होता है ना वो मैम जो पॉइंट, अच्छा तो ये क्लाइंट का यही पॉइंट है उसको इम्प्रूव करने के लिए। जैसे क्लाइंट ने बोला कि मुझे राइटिंग
अच्छा लगता है, मैं डायरी राइटिंग करती हूँ, तो एक होल्ड किया उस पॉइंट को और उसमें ही उनका एक एनकरेजमेंट बढ़ाया कि ओके you had a very much talent that you written in your expression, because मतलब हम एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर पाते हैं, एक लोग होता है ना जो एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर पाते हैं पर लिखने में वो माहिर होते हैं, वो रिटन।
Thank you so much. Thank you. You're all finding good points only. I also appreciate that as a counselor, her posture was very, very relaxed.
Yes, ma'am.
She was
Yes.
fully attending. That you are right, Sushobita. She was very, that smile was there, and her facial expression was full attending behavior was there, and eye contact. Even if it is not in the real situation, we could make that she was giving that full attention. There was empathy and there was relating. There was congruence also, like she felt happy when I'm writing and all those things.
Yes.
These are the what are those conditions which are, it's not just essential, but it is sufficient condition, we say.
Thank
We
you, ma'am.
say positive regard, genuineness, congruence, and empathy as sufficient conditions to form the relationship and take forward the intervention.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Sometimes this is actually the Rogerian principle. Carl Rogers, according to him, he says if we can maintain these four things, the counseling process is taken care of. So she was able to empathize. She was able to feel that there was congruence. I could feel that everything was good. I want to, anybody is volunteering, or shall I give chance to somebody? Then Kana is waiting to say something. I'll give you 10 seconds, Kana. Before somebody gets ready, you read what you have written.
Yes, ma'am. I will tell some plus point of Ushaji. She looks very professional, and I like her voice and words.
Yes.
The expression was very appropriate towards the client. And another two things I would like to suggest. She did not ask about the time, from which part, from early, as the client told that she was a lecturer earlier. So before that lectureship also she was feeling like that, or after leaving that lectureship she was feeling like that. She did not ask in this point. Another thing, ma'am, she could have suggested that just you engage yourself in any other school or college, so that you will not feel lonely or you will not feel alone. That's two things I would like to add to Ushaji. Hello, ma'am.
Sorry, ma'am. I am able to join because for my network issue. Sorry.
Shraddhanjali, is a lot of discussion is going on regarding your your role as.
Sorry, ma'am. Bad network, ma'am. Sorry.
I want to ask one more person, and then I finally will go to Shraddhanjali. I want to say, Kana, did you say something as a counselor? What was that which in a different way as a counselor? Because one I already said. Another one I want to say.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you say, you said good things? All are
What was
telling
the?
only the positives.
She is very soon, ma'am. He quickly gives the solution.
Okay.
She should ask more questions.
Okay. Usha, I think you know, not only Usha could relate very clearly where she was. And let us go to Shraddhanjali and find out. Before that, I want Pratima to say something. Pratima, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me any of your reaction to Usha and mainly Usha's, like, we are more concerned with the role of the counselor here. One or two if you have, please.
No, ma'am.
Okay, you note down. If you don't feel comfortable, you can note down. Shraddhanjali, what did you feel when the talk was
Ma'am,
going on? What did you feel as a client?
ma'am, once again, please.
When Usha was listening to you as a counselor, what was
Yes,
the
ma'am.
kind of feeling which you are getting inside? How was your thinking? What were you thinking when you were telling? Was there anything, or you can share if anything?
Comfortable. I am so comfortable with her, ma'am, because she just
Why did you feel comfortable?
because her question is so clear and also very nicely talk with me, so that I am comfortable with her.
Okay. Anyway, one of the best counselor can give is give the feeling of comfort to the person who is speaking. From the counselor's point of view, there's one more point which I want to say is, first one I said, as Kanha also rightly noted, we need not be under the impression of giving a solution. We need not be. Okay. Then another here, I think we need to unlearn, because as a human being also, we have been suggesting solution to people who are around us. That's been our way of doing. It's a routine of us. Do like that. Why have you done this? It's better you do like this. This would be a better way. This is our routine. Especially at a person of my age, I would have told 100 things per day to my husband and minimum 50 things to my children per day. So it becomes so much with us. So we have to unlearn these things. One point. Second point is, anybody want to say, or I will say?
Ma'am, we cannot be evaluative.
Where was
Like
the
whatever
evaluation? Yes, Manshi. Where did you feel she was evaluative?
I need to remember.
Yeah. Okay, think.
You need not to be.
Think.
When she said you, no, that was the suggestion. You should speak to your mother-in-law, someone at home. But I think somewhere she said, I'm just forgetting, ma'am.
That's why good observation. Anyway, when this kind of a role play is happening, I want all of you to be attentive and note down the phrase, note down the body posture or the facial expression which may be communicating. For example, a kind of frown. A tone also sometimes gives judgmental. Because you remember the example which we were sharing, my mother is not giving me, when I ask for anything, my mother is not giving me, the client is saying. The counselor is asking, your mother is not giving. So there is a judgmental, that means finding fault with the mother who's not giving something. The tone also can be judgmental.
Yes.
Sometimes our frown also, my mother is not giving me anything when I ask, but to my sister or brother or somebody she gives. That time if you frown, ऐसे, ऐसे frown करने से भी, you observe the facial expressions. That also, because see, when a child is talking about her mother, definitely she knows, she wants just a place to express which is comfortable, which is non-judgmental. Nobody likes to hear that her mother is doing a mistake by not giving anything to her. No child will like to hear to a negative comment about the mother from an outsider first time when they are talking. So we need to just listen, non-judgmental. Anybody else noticed anything?
Yes, madam. This is Anindita.
Hi, Anindita.
Good afternoon, madam. I just noted a very positive saying. What Usha ma'am did is, which is pretty obvious. Like first time when you meet a client, you might tend to forget the name of the client. So she managed very cleverly there. Like she was just about to say yes, and she paused a little bit. Not remembering the name, she managed with yes, beta. So what was it?
Yes.
So that was yes, that's about one.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Anindita, anything more? Yeah,
No,
very
ma'am.
true.
Yes, ma'am. And one more thing, I think, well, obviously it was, since it is an online platform, which is pretty obvious, she seemed a little bit, sitting on the edge of a chair, like kind of a feeling, like trying really very hard to listen. Although I understand it is an online thing, so we need to concentrate real hard. So,
Yeah.
yes,
Okay,
yes.
okay. Yeah.
That's about it. Thank
See,
you, ma'am.
we can, even when it is online, we are able to notice who is sitting on the edge of the chair. Though the chair is not there. There's, we are very sensitive to, I don't know, how am I sitting?
No, it seemed like that, madam. As a,
Yes, I also felt, but as you rightly said, maybe she was all set to listen, but
Right,
definitely a posture which is little more relaxed is better for a counselor instead of sitting in the beginning. Yes, we are showing our eagerness to listen, no doubt, but still it is better to have a relaxed posture, because the physical setting also gives a relaxation to the person who's entering.
Right. Okay. Thank you,
The
ma'am.
other point which I wanted to make is, when the client is speaking, there can be nodding, empathizing, attending behavior, that's all. There need not be a clarifying question as long as the client is, but Usha maintained that only when Shraddhanjali stopped, she had a difficulty that she expressed, that how should I go about. She went on saying, there was no barrier for her in saying anything, because the counselor was very attentively listening, and there was congruence, there was positive regard, there was empathy. What happened? Oh, no, it's there. So it was going on. So that time, when the client stops also, as somebody already pointed out, we need not start giving, you do that, you do this. That may not be required. Rather, there may be some more opening questions, clarifying questions, which she can go about. Or there can be one question like, I don't know, I have to ask myself if it is right. It's not a question, rather it's a discussion. Each one of us have a kind of we have a personality, and maybe some of us are feeling, that kind of a feeling is always there with us from the beginning. It may be with us. There are two things which we have to be alert here. One is what are the coping skills which she has developed? Because all of us have certain shortcomings in our personalities. So how we manage is with our coping skills. The second important thing is, how is it affecting her in her performing her day-to-day duties, in achieving something which she desires to achieve. How is it? See, I have some problem. I manage it with certain coping skills. If they don't have any coping skills, next, our third session, at least, we will be finding out, we will identify that she doesn't have a coping skill. We may find out options of how this situation or this loneliness can be handled by my Shraddhanjali when she feels this kind of thing. That is a coping mechanism, is very essential. Second thing is, how is, in which way of her daily routine or which way of her living it is affecting her. Shraddhanjali?
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah. Anjani?
Ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am. Could you please repeat the last one you asked?
No, I think it is in what way
Yes,
the
ma'am.
issue which I am sharing as an issue, in
Yes.
what way it is affecting me in my personal day-to-day life, either in my day-to-day performance or in fulfilling my dreams. I have certain ambition, I have certain plan
Yes,
in my
ma'am.
life.
Okay. Fine.
Is it,
Understood.
in what way it is affecting? So
Okay,
we
ma'am.
have to
Thank you.
identify those points very clearly, so that it's not only for us. In fact, we don't have to say you do that, you do this. Rather, sometimes the client, when they are saying, they themselves do not know how is it affecting them.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. I'll do.
No, it's not, again, a general rule. We need to keep these things parallelly when we are listening.
Madam, hello. Yes, madam.
Yes, yes.
I just want to know that if at all we find, as in if the counselor finds that, like in the case of Pushpanjali, she already says that she has which is actually a coping mechanism that she's been using, like writing a diary, and she also said that she feels good about it after writing the diary. So it is already, it seems that she is managing her stress or that worry. So in that case, should the counselor kind of say something to enhance that skill, or we should, tell the client that, so, kind of convince the client, yes, you have developed all these coping mechanisms. Kind of, I'm not getting the right word, but what I mean to say is
No,
that you
I
should not
got
be,
your point.
you should not be worrying about it. Is that what
Yeah,
the counselor should go ahead with it?
Yeah, yeah.
Or
Two words which you said, I'm just taking. One is convince the client that you are managing. Instead of
right.
convincing, the question, like for example, Usha was expressing her happiness, and another thing is an encouragement when she said, oh, that's a very good habit. Oh, you have writing. That means that gives the client that I am on the right path. And
Right.
another word which you said is enhance the coping skill, because we should find out, other than writing, is there any other thing which she is doing when she is lonely? For example, let me continue with Shraddhanjali for another 5 minutes, and you can let us see.
Yes, ma'am.
Shraddhanjali is very much here. Shraddhanjali, what made you tell this with a counselor? What made you come to the counselor for this issue of yours?
Ma'am, once again, please.
You wanted to talk to a counselor
Yes, ma'am.
about you consider it as an issue, or your feeling.
Okay,
What made you speak about this to a counselor? We are not asking you as a client now. We are asking you as a student of guidance and counseling.
As a client, ma'am.
Mm.
A client also always at first says always very nervous about that I am going to the counselor. So she is very nervous about it. So I am also that point of view that I am very nervous about that I am going to the counselor. At first, I think.
No. You listen. What made you tell this as an issue with the counselor? Why did you want to share this with the counselor? Okay.
Hello, ma'am.
What was your trouble? Loneliness. Because of loneliness,
Yes,
what was your problem with it?
nothing else, ma'am. I'm just feeling lonely at night. That is my problem. Because my husband is absent. Say he was living in Delhi, and I am living here for 2 years. So that when I'm going to my bedroom, I'm feeling lonely. That is enough. Nothing else. I have no problem about my in-laws, family's problem, or with my child. Nothing problems. I'm feeling only lonely. So what is my issues? I don't know.
anyway, this sometimes, we get some clients who just want their issue to be heard by the counselor because it is a reassurance for them. It is okay. Listening, and as we observed in the session, accepting what she is doing as a coping skill is that gives her some confidence. Shraddhanjali, one more question, last question, no more questions. You have been feeling this kind of loneliness from your childhood or during your adolescence, or is it very recent?
Ma'am, recently in 2 years.
Since 2 years?
No,
Okay.
that was the problem. Because of loneliness, I want to engage any way, so that I think as usual life just get up, child, in-laws, रीडिंग, बस वही सब चीज हो जाता है. तो वही मुझे लगता है कि मैं मेरे फोकस से जो आज मैं जो कुछ बनना चाहती हूँ मैं नहीं बन पाई. इसी चीज के लिए मैं लोनली फील कर रही हूँ, ये मुझे पता है. फिर भी मैं कंट्रोल करती हूँ, लेकिन वही लोनलीनेस बार बार अगेन एंड अगेन वो आ जाता है. वही चीज होती है मैम.
Okay, what do you do when you feel like that? One is you write. Is there any other thing you do?
No, ma'am.
Okay. See, this is again an indication that this is of a recent origin. As a personality, anyway, this requires further clarification. I'm just on the spot. I'm telling this. This is of recent origin, 2 years back. So we have to find out what is that incident which took 2 years back, which is bringing this feeling in her. So there may be something.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Sorry to interrupt, ma'am. As per she said that his husband is not there and she lives in Delhi, like that. Maybe at the end of the day, okay, we do lots of things in day-to-day life, and laws, all that. But at the end of the day, she might need a company where she has to share something, some valuable things, or the moral things of his of her life. Else, that's why she may feels lonely or else.
Okay. Okay. There may be many reasons.
Mom, sometimes it happens after the giving birth the child, the mother goes through so much of emotions that they cannot handle that. And when the husband is not around, that sometimes piled up again twice, double. So might be she's going through that phase because her child is very young, I believe 1 year old. And she is not finding that. Might be she is going through all those motherhood, what you say, experience all these things, and she wants to convey this thing or share with her husband, and who is not around. And it's all these matter, I believe. For a woman, it is very difficult to handle post and pre-birth of the child. That might be a reason.
Yeah, it is true. Sometimes delivery and child rearing, some hormonal imbalance also will be there, which may be the reason.
Yes,
all
ma'am.
this we can find out in later stages.
Yes,
Like this is just possibilities. Instead of we coming into a conclusion or a judgment, this may be the reason, but these are possibilities we should keep in our mind. But in our question, these things need not come. These need not come.
Okay.
But we should keep all these things in the background and create a space for her so that she can speak further, and she herself will find out what is her difficulty and how she will cope with it, and what are the mechanisms which she can adapt in order to feel comfortable. I think we will stop now, because today also I planned a session. I had asked a client to join for a role play. It didn't happen. So Friday class we are missing. Monday, if we are not doing, in between, if there is any other time with where somebody is not taking the class or anything, we shall start. I have already shared the practical detail with you. We will first bother about the first practical, that is role play. Maybe for 1 week or 10 days we will be practicing with Sashwati will be there, Manoja Jacob will be there, and one more counselor also is coming. We will give some demonstrations and then we will have the role plays. Hello, I can see a guest in the class. Hello. Your baby. Okay,
सॉरी मैम, तो मेरी दीदी का बेटा है।
हाँ, दीदी का बेटा।
हाँ, मेरी दीदी जॉब करती है तो छोड़ के गई है।
Okay then. See you in the next class. Tomorrow you join the common class, okay? Tomorrow
Okay,
I think it is, oh sorry, not tomorrow, Friday.
Day after tomorrow.
It is Raven's
Friday,
progressive matrices. You can read little bit about it. This is in GC 116. You all know Raven's progressive matrices is the common session. You read about it. Maybe a demonstration will be there on that day. Okay, and in
Thank you, ma'am.
class she will guide you how you have to do it. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
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 Welcome.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am.